Most teachers miss this crucial point about adding limits. Okay, so our problem is saying using the law of limit sums, solve the limit below. Give yourself a moment to think about the problem before we begin. So if we remember, the law of limit sums says that if I'm taking the limit of two functions that are being added or subtracted, I get the same answer if I take the limit of one function, take the limit of the other, and then add or subtract them afterwards. So naturally, g of x is first, so let's do that one. So before we can just evaluate, we have to ask ourselves a question. Is there any place where a denominator is 0 or a log is 0 or a negative number? Well, in this case, no, it's just a polynomial. So we can go ahead and substitute negative e for our x. Now, if you remember, e itself is Euler's number. It's not a variable, so keep that in mind. So really, the best answer that we get for our limit is negative 11e cubed plus 7. Again, e is a constant, so we're multiplying negative 11 times a specific number. So this is the most precise value that we can get for g of x. So now that we've done that part, let's go ahead and do our f of x. And again, we have to ask the exact same questions. Are there any places where a denominator is 0, or we're taking the log of 0 or a negative number? In this case, again, it's a polynomial, so no, there is no place where that happens. So we can just plug in negative e for our x's. And we get 2 times negative e squared plus 7 times negative e plus 4. We can simplify this down a little bit though, since squaring a negative number just yields the positive result. That becomes 2e squared. Instead of plus 7 times negative e, this can be minus 7e plus 4. Alright, so now according to our original limit, we're going to take the limit of our g of x and subtract the limit of f of x from it. And so we get something that looks a little bit like this. So I went ahead and separated them with parentheses so we could see it a little bit better. So our final answer, or the limit, is negative 11e cubed minus 2e squared plus 7e plus 3. And so this is a bit of a longer answer, but keep in mind, again, e is a constant. It's an actual number. So even though this looks like an expression, this is really expressing one singular number. And so I hope this quick little math tutorial helped out today. If it did, I'd be thrilled to hear how.